Good morning and good day wherever you are. Welcome to our global webinar, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, markets. We maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, but for that daily. So let's have a nice start like every day. And today it's Wednesday, 17th of October 2018. Welcome to Admiral Markets. And we will start like every day with our risk disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read the full risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find everything else what you maybe would like to read. For example, the kits, the key information documents. Also, some more information about the top topic of the year in the European Union in the year 2018, the different options for retail clients and professional clients. Sometimes the picture shows more than 1,000 words. If you are a CFD trader in the European Union, the maximum leverage for retail clients will be limited. The margin requirements could be quite different. 2 prominent examples, DAX 30 or also euro dollar. You see it, the margin requirements could be 24 euro or even 600 euro, depending on the leverage factor what you choose. If you are a professional client, so if you know what you do, you can check out if you are eligible and can apply for the professional client status. There are some differences. Retail clients will get an unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients not by regulation, but some brokers and of course also Admiral Markets will have an additional protection. We call it negative balance protection policy. Here you get also as a professional client a protection up to 50,000 British pounds, what is round about 70,000 euro. All details, how to apply and many more on the specific link what you see here displayed on your screen right now, or just visit admiralmarkets.com and you of course will find it there. This is me, my name is Jens. I'm the German guy from Admiral Markets, so made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday it's Jay's day, on Tuesday it's Paul's day, like today on Wednesday it's Giancarlo's day, on Thursday it's Marco's day, on Friday it's Dirk's day, our leading day traders live every business day, every trading day to the same time. And of course, retail clients, professional clients, anybody will get the same benefits only with us. For example, DAX 30, but also euro dollar, triple spread of just 0.8 points or pips during main trading hours without additional commission. Check it out on admiralmarkets.com or all our other regional web pages. And if you'd like to contact us, you can call us, you can send us email, or everything's linked also on our web pages like admiralmarkets.com. Enough from my side. Now it's time for our day trader of today. Good morning, good day, Giancarlo. What's your view to the markets today?
Good morning, trader. Good morning, gents. We have to speak about this last very difficult week. We speak, of course, about this sell-off that hit the market, especially the American indexes. Before to start today, I would like to remember some important news for this afternoon. First one, today we have the building permits in USA. Of course, like every Wednesday, the crude oil stock exchange, but the most important today is this, the FOMC minutes. Very important to understand the summary of the last meeting of Federal Reserve, because this news could affect the USA dollar. So we will start today with the DAX, of course, because we have hit a great sell-off the last Wednesday with our daily trading idea suggest in DAX. The DAX hit my monthly target just in one day. During the night of the first day, they hit our monthly target here in 11,424. So now, of course, we have to. I would like to give you some consideration about what's happened, and it's it's not just a macroeconomic reason, but of course we have a technical reason. I would like to speak about this. Meanwhile, we will do our technical analysis. Let we take a look at DAX. We know that DAX from August maintained a bearish channel. The bearish channel was breakout with this great flash crash on this Thursday, and they touched rapidly this zone here in 11,424 here. Yesterday we have assist at strong pullback, and the price tried to break out the 11,883. We have here just the last smart money zone, and you can appraise how the price today stop the run to new upside. For now, of course I have to suggest a lot of attention, because the trend is bearish, and we need a breakout of a high level before to speak a new bullish aptitude of market. The DAX is blocked in this enormous range with high volatility, and from this Wednesday, I would like to suggest to have a lot of care with long position, because maybe this Friday we can touch, due to my studies, a new weekly minimum. So what we have to do today is to take a look just at H4 charts, just a moment, to understand that the European opening of this morning, the price was blocked in this level, and start to reach the 700 level, but for now maintain this position. Of course, we can think about the possibility that market charge a new energy to have a new upside, but for now we have to wait some level that we will study here in 15 minutes. This is DAX today. This is DAX in the last days. This is the enormous quantity of volume blocked. The prices in this zone tell you before, and today we have to take a look at which is the possibility to have any short in the market. Today I strongly suggest to take a look at this level here in 717, because in case the price break this level, we can have a new downtrend. But I would like to remember that this number could stop. The number the 00 normally stop the prices, or have some reversal, because in the DAX this level corresponded to position of smart money. So my idea is to try something at least between this level and this. So in this case we can try a sell stop here with a minimum stop of 40 points, because we have a high volatility, and we try to reach the first one, the touch of this zone, and in extension here. Maybe we can do roast this day, but it depends on what happened tonight, because with the minutes it's possible that we have a new bearish pressure in the index, in European and American indexes. For a long position, I strongly suggest to wait at least a recovery of this zone, but here we have a lot of volume, so my idea is to try something at least if the price break out this level of 8,122. We can put a stop of 40 points and try to reach 8,183. Just some consideration about this position. I would like to recommend that use this level for reversal, because in case the price don't break out this level and we assist a reversal, we can try a buy position, buy entry. In the same time here, if the price don't break this zone between 8,139, 8,144, you can try a short. Take care with stop loss, because the volatility is very high, so you have to use at least 30-40 points of stop, because we can have a great run of a great acceleration of DAX during the day. Just to finish for DAX, some level very important for this week. We need a breakout of this level to try to reach the 12,057 level. This is a very important zone. We can have a pullback until here if the price break out this level, but if the price remain below this zone for this week, the trend remain bearish. So take care with pullback, because the smart money charge their short position. At the same time, if in the next days we lose this zone, first one, the 600 zone, but this is very important level, because below this level we can start a new downtrend with the target until 11,000. Let me speak about now for Standard & Poor, and speak about what happened on this Thursday. Of course, we have reached our target, but was very catastrophic, and something is broken in the market, because as you know, we have the same situation in the February of this year. The market respect 200 points of crash, and the Standard & Poor block in very important position here near the zone of 2,700. So this zone is very important, because in case we lose this level this week, we can have another crash of at least 100 points. So my idea that we can arrive in the zone between 626 and in extension in the zone of 570. In case the price maintain this zone of, we can try to do some long position only if the price break out this level. But for now, this zone is very strong to break out. It's difficult to buy, and we have to wait the American opening, because as you know, we have start the earnings season. So for example, yesterday Netflix helped to the earnings season. Netflix helped the market to have this pullback. So the American economy is very strong, but it's normal to assist for something like this. We cannot speak now, of course, of yearly reversal, but of course we have to maintain a lot of care. Today is very important that Standard & Poor maintain this zone, because in case we have a strong breakout of 796, we can have a strong a new sell-off. At least the price could arrive in this zone between 783 and 770. In case the price going below this zone of 746 for this week, take care, because we can start a new bearish acceleration. If the price break out this zone, our target could be positioned between 855 and in extension here. I would like to recommend that the bullish uptrend can arrive only if the price remain in this week up at least of this level. Until here, we are speaking about pullback. Don't be confused just for this long bullish candle, because the trend is bearish. Of course, we have explosion of momentum, and you have to maintain a lot of attention, because maybe thanks to earnings season we can have a recover all this crash. Take care with volatility, of course, here. And of course, take a look at what happened this afternoon at 8 o'clock Berlin hour, because if the minutes show the same proposition of Federal Reserve, that they want to maintain the high rates due to the steady recovery of USA economy, they continue to accelerate it, the rise of the cost of dollar, with all the consequences that you can imagine, because the market show something wrong in the yield curve of treasury bond T10, and in this case you have to maintain a lot of attention on what happened in the next day. In this sense, of course, we have the problem of trade war, and just the great developed economy of USA in this year maintain the market in the bullish side. So my idea is to maintain a lot of attention, and of course remember that this year the volatilities change, and I know that we have assist for 2 times at this flash crash, but we don't see any problem in the USA economy for now. So my idea is to respect this level that show you, and maybe in the next month with the midterm we can have more answer to possibly to continue or not the bullish trend that is maintained, as you know, from 2008. I'm going to take a look rapidly to Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, because Dow Jones respect perfectly our support in 24,941, and you can appreciate this pullback that blocking our smart money zone here in 20,773. Today we have in this zone we have a strong resistance, so we need at least a breakout of 20,000 point, 26,000 point to open a new long position. So if the price remain in this zone and break out this level, we can reach rapidly the zone of 20,026 point. Of course, only a breakout of this level can change the bearish trend ongoing. So my idea is to maintain a lot of care in this range and try some long position. Only the prices break out to 20,000 point, or bearish position if the price don't maintain this zone, because the sell-off could give us at least 300 pips. DAX is the actor of this crash, because on this Thursday lost 6% of point. So in incredible way, they know that the best part of liquidity of USA Federal Reserve stay in this index. Of course, they suffer more of Standard & Poor's and Dow Jones this crash. We have touched, of course, a psychological zone of 7,000 point, and we assist just here a strong pullback. So now I would like to remember that the position of Nasdaq is better, and we have possibility to try to reach this resistance here in 433 these days, in this week. But just a breakout of this level can help us to have a new bullish aptitude. Take a look today at intermediate point of 378, because in case we have this breakout, we can have a good acceleration, bullish acceleration. And if we lose at least the middle of this candle, I would like to start to see the possibility of a short opportunity below 7,260. I would like to speak about rapidly about Australian dollar, because the minutes of Fed could affect especially this pair, because remember that strong US economic data and hawkish Fed minutes should be bullish for treasury yields, which will make the USA dollar a more attractive investment and to put pressure on the Australian dollar. Okay, so we have assist a sell-off in USA dollar, but at the same time, if today they maintain this aptitude, we maybe we have a breakout of this level. So up 0.7191, we can try some buy entry, and we target here in 0.7270. I remember last week the great support they created here we have a breakout of this level. So today we need a confirmation of this range and the breakout of one of this level to open a buy or sell position. In the same time, in the USA dollar, euro dollar is advantaged from what's happened with the crash, and they tried to break out the 1.16 level, but they was blocked, and we are in this smart money range. So my idea is to wait what happened tonight, because in case the price going below 1.1527, we can assist a new bearish acceleration. A breakout, of course, on 1.6020 can help us to have a good buy entry with first target in 1.1644 and in extension between 1.1624, 1.17. I finish with gold and of course oil. Our resistance and the USA inventory last week helped to have this correction, and the price was blocked here in our level of 74.96. Take care with the news of today, because we have to understand that if we have if this support block the fall of prices. I strongly suggest to take a look at this level for today, because if the price maintain up of 71.53, we have the possibility that trigger until $73. In case we lose the 70.81, prepare for new short with first target in $70 in extension in 69.50. Remember that just a recover of $75 help us to maintain the bullish, the weekly, the monthly bullish trend. I finish with gold because we have entered in our long position. The sell-off, of course, and of the index and the sell-off dollar app has helped to maintain to keep out the risk appetite of market. Of course, gold is a safe instrument. We have a breakout. First one, this level, and the second one, the most important here, our buy entry in 1,217, and we reach just this level. If you want to entry, you have to wait another breakout, because this is a smart money volume indicate buy opportunities. But in case we have a correction and in the pullback, I suggest to try to find some buy entry between 1,208 and 1,212. The 4-month range give us the opportunity to have a new uptrend with the target between 1.2043 and in extension until here. Maybe we can do more. For today, I have finished. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have some question, of course, I am at your disposal.
Yeah, but the time is our limit, so 15 to 20 minutes is our goal. But for that daily, tomorrow is another day, 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So I hope to see you all again here in the live webinar tomorrow to the same time. And if your time don't allows you to join us every day, not all, but near to all webinars will be a little bit later available on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX. Best to subscribe to our channel, and then you get all the new updates there. The webinar for Monday is not available. There we had technical interruptions. One participant was asking for that, so Monday from that week was not available. But this one today and from yesterday will be available today in the YouTube channel. Thanks a lot to Giancarlo, and hope to see you all again. Bye bye. Greetings from Berlin office.